The Extend Multifulfillment solution can facilitate the management of multiple ship-to orders in a more streamlined fashion, enabling you to go to production, manufacturing, kitting, prior to knowing all of the ship-to addresses as you wait to get that list from your client. In this use case example, I'm going to present the upload spreadsheet method of breaking out those ship-to addresses. In this use case here, I have a sales order with 2 different products, quantity of 100 each. And I'm starting out with a singular item fulfillment record for all quantities, all items, currently in a status of packed. That is my starting point. At some point down the road, this client will provide me with their dropship list. And ideally, we will collect that data in a spreadsheet format that can be easily consumed by NetSuite. Through our upload capability, which can consume either a CSV or Excel formatted file, the client will be able to provide the ship-to addresses and enable you to break down into fulfillment groups the quantities of each product that is going to each distinct ship-to location, with each potentially with its distinct shipment method as well. So in this example here, I've simply taken that quantity of 100 of each of these products and broken them down into 10 distinct fulfillment groups. So each recipient will receive 10 products of each of the 2 items. So via a simple drag and drop here, I will push that spreadsheet up to NetSuite. Upon upload, some basic validation of the address information will be performed, such as ensuring that for US-based ship-to addresses, there is a 5-digit zip code, that the zip code matches with the state, that the state is in the valid list of states in NetSuite. These types of pre-flight checks help ensure the quality of the data prior to you getting to your actual shipment workstations. In addition to the user interface letting the user know when the job is complete, the recipient will also receive an email letting them know that their pre-fulfillment records have been uploaded successfully from the spreadsheet. Navigating back to the sales order, we can now see the records that have been created as a result of this drag and drop upload. Bringing up that sales order and navigating to the multi-fulfillment subtab, we can now see the pre-fulfillment records that have been uploaded as a result, breaking down each of those quantities into their 10 respective fulfillment groups. At this point in time, the order is prepared for multi-fulfillment. Upon execution of this multi-fulfillment workflow button, a MapReduce will be fired off, which will then reconstitute what started out as a singular item fulfillment and create 10 distinct item fulfillment records, 1 for each distinct ship-to location. Once again, as a result of a successful completion of a MapReduce script, the user is notified via email that the process is complete. At this point in time, instead of having just that singular 1 item fulfillment record that we began with, we now have 10 distinct item fulfillment records, 1 representing each one of our distinct ship-to locations. Taking a quick spot check, we can review a couple of these item fulfillment records.